Hello, STEM Academy Juniors. It's Mr. Barry, the STEM Academy Coordinator, and one of our science teachers, but y'all already know that. I'm going to run through real quick your junior class project document so that you know where to find stuff, where exactly to address things. I'm not going to read every bit of this for you, but I do want to make sure that you understand, how to use this to complete your project and do what you need to get done. So first you clicked right here to see your explanatory video. This year as juniors, we really take y'all like freshman year. I know we gave you a topic. Sophomore year, you got a choice, but we're going to let y'all have a lot more freedom in choosing what's going on with your topics this year. So that's hopefully something you're excited about. But we're going to delve a little deeper into sustainability, and some of this will have an energy aspect to it also. But if you can read through here the intro and all this good stuff. If you click on this link right here, it will take you to a YouTube video that talks some about sustainability. Please make sure you're watching that. You're reading through all this info, but again, I don't need to read for you. You're going to be addressing something called the Lazy Person's Guide to Saving the World. That's actually, believe it or not, put out by a trusted source, and we'll get to that in just a sec. It's not just me being lazy and telling you to save the world at the same time. And you're also going to address the global goals for sustainable development. So really addressing one of each of these of your choice is going to be what this project consists of, okay? So as always, we make connections to the Academy, and how exactly we're making those connections are here. Again, we expect you to read through this whole thing. I just want to show you where to find stuff. There are some different portions to this project, and they're all listed here along with the completion dates. Now you see shared in folders. You've been assigned groups and corresponding folders already, and y'all should know what that is already. So, you kind of have an idea where those are. Just make sure you save everything you put together for this project in that folder, and that way you'll be able to find it later. You'll be good to go there, okay? So the first part here is motivating a lazy person, and this is the Lazy Person's Guide to Sustainability. This was actually put out by the UN, so as mentioned, a credible source here. And so read through this and make sure you address something at each level as you go through this, all right? And that you understand that there's one from each level. There's 4 levels that you need to address total here. You're also going to address a global sustainable development goal. And they can all be found here more in depth. And that was the poster, the little image that I showed you right here as well. Okay, so you'll be addressing one of each of those. You need to document sustainable implementations for each different part. So make sure you're reading through this and you understand what it means to have that documentation completed. And again, for each one of these, you've got a completion date at the bottom. And then you'll have a final presentation that you'll put together overall. And that should also be completed and shared and stored in that folder on the same day that we're all finishing up project stuff here, Tuesday the 18th. Okay? All of this does still revolve around your engineering design process, so a quick reminder there. But at this point as juniors, I feel like you've seen that enough that you know what that is. The Symposium stuff is different than it's been in the past, as it was last year. So I'm going to get you info on that as it comes up rather than trying to outline it now, not knowing exactly where we'll be. We're going to be flexible there, and so you'll get information on that soon. But a couple resources here that might be really helpful for you with this project. Some of these, and I know y'all are, to be totally honest, better at editing a lot of these short clips than I am. You're better TikTokers than I am for sure. But 20 free video software editing apps, some movie making apps here. I wanted to give you all some sort of resource so that you could edit and put together the quick videos that you'll be doing as part of this project. And then voiceover to PowerPoint presentations can be an option there as well. Your groups and assigned mentors can be found right here, as well as poster templates that you may need. So make sure you're reading to see exactly what you need there, and a project rubric. So get into communication with your groups. Make sure you know what's going on and you get rolling on all this stuff. Address any questions first to your STEM teacher mentor, but then to me if you need help. And good luck, y'all.